Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can install Zoom on your PC and you can use that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Zoom here. So I'm going to write the Zoom and now you have to press the enter. So as you can see, it's open. Now we need to do, we have to click on the download. So we are going to click on the download. And now we have to click on this button. We have to click on the download button and the download process will be started. So as you can see, now it's starting and we have to wait for a few seconds. The size of this is 86 MB. Now, if you want to use the Zoom without downloading or without installing app on your PC, you can also do that. You have to click on the join. If you want to join it, you can click on the join and you have to provide the email and all the things. If you don't want to join, you have to go to the back, and after going to the back, as you can see, you have to click on the host. Now if you want to continue with video off, you have to click on this, or if you want to continue with the video on, you have to click on this. Screen share only, if you want to share only your screen, so you have to click on this. So you have to choose the options according to that. For example, I'm going to click with the video on, so you have to click on this option and you have to wait for a few seconds. It's opening. So basically you have to sign in this, so I'm going to sign in. Now you can continue without installing it. If you want to join, you have to click on the join button and you have to provide the meeting details like the name or ID or whatever you have. Now here's the host option and these are the same options. Let's go to the back, and after going you will see the other options like profile, webinar and phones, and all the things are provided here. Upgrade and all the things are provided. You just have to click on this and you can do all the things. So in this way you can download your Zoom app. And as you can see, the Zoom setup is downloaded here. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this and you have to click the next. You have to follow these steps and the installation process will be completed and you will see the same interface there, and you can join or do a lot of things whatever you want to do there. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.